Picture it. You're the habitually late person, or you're someone who's a corporate queen. You are always on the clock. You are working, getting to the money. I think this bob wig might be for you. Okay, it's super easy. Pre-plucked hairline, short length, 12 inches. What does that mean for you? Minimal work that you have to do, lower maintenance. And if you're anything like me, customization is a breeze. Just take your tweezers out, pluck a few hairs, and you're good to go. Say you don't want to be bothered with curling irons. You don't really want to do too much heat styling. Just get your favorite flat iron, mine is the Babyliss Pro, and go to work. One pass is honestly good enough, but if you like it super silky like I do, 2 passes won't hurt. Trust me, it makes all the difference. But again, you're someone who's habitually late, you're on the clock, you're getting to the money, you don't have the time to put too much effort into your hair, but you still want to slay. You deserve to slay, sis. I see you. And this is why this 12-inch Yaki bob wig is perfect for you, because you get a signature look. It takes minimal work, low maintenance, and you're good to go. And the cap construction, it's a 13 by 4.5 lace frontal. So you still get deep parting. It's not as deep as the 13 by 6, but you still have options. Even if you wanted to switch up your parting, and with a unit like this, because you have that super transparent and thin lace, you can honestly install your wig using the hard head spray. Just spray, no gel, nothing, just the spray and go. And even if you don't want to be bothered with the hard head spray, you have the option to use a wig grip and you're good to go. Middle parts are so perfect for those of you who don't want to use any products to install your unit. You can just throw on your wig grip and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, you don't have to do any of the baby hairs, the adult swoops that I love to do, but it makes the look your own. Especially because you intend on having these types of units for a longer time. Those little customizations make it your signature style, and it makes it distinct and specific to you. Now, I don't know if you know, RPGSHOW was having a sale, so what that means is you need to hop on it and go get yourself this gorgeous unit. I'll have the code in the screen and the description box. Check all of the details. I'll have everything below. Now, trust me, you could slay this look in no time, okay? You don't even have to straighten your unit on the mannequin. You could do it on yourself to cut down the time even more. But girl, this is everything. This is the look you need in your life. The habitually late, the corporate queen, the short, sweet, and to the point diva. This is for you, and it's effortless at that.